Here's the truth about the most cited study in semen retention. Everyone talks about the day 7 testosterone spike. They throw around numbers like a 45% boost. They post it on Reddit like it's gospel. But almost nobody has actually read the study, and even fewer know what happened to it. In 2003, a team of Chinese researchers published a study on 28 men measuring serum testosterone during periods of abstinence. What they found was that testosterone levels stayed relatively flat for the first 5 days. Then on day 6, a small rise. And on day 7, a clear peak, 145.7% of baseline. That is where most people stop reading. Here is what they don't tell you. First, the sample size was 28 men. That is tiny. In clinical research, you need hundreds or thousands of participants before you can generalize results to a broader population. 28 men barely qualifies as a pilot study. Second, the English language version of this paper was retracted. The original Chinese version still exists, and the underlying data was not challenged, but the retraction is a significant credibility issue that almost no one in the retention community mentions. Third, and this is the important part, testosterone returned to baseline after day 7. The study did not show a permanent increase. It showed a temporary spike within a specific window, followed by a return to normal levels. So does the study matter? Actually, yes. Not because of the headline number, but because of what it tells us about hormonal cycling. The body appears to have a built-in rhythm around testosterone production during abstinence. Day 7 seems to be a genuine inflection point, even if the magnitude varies between individuals. The real question is not whether testosterone spikes on day 7. The real question is what you do with that information. A structured cycling protocol built around these hormonal windows is fundamentally different from an open-ended streak with no plan. That is exactly what the retention protocol covers. 41 peer-reviewed studies across 8 research domains turned into a day-by-day system, not hype, not motivation. A framework built on what the science actually supports. Link in the description.